Hello guys, my name is Dennis and today I will show you what is the if statement and what it is used for. So I already have created a project. Uh, I think you are familiar with this process. I did in the last 4 videos. So uh, okay, say we have a variable int b equals to 6 and second variable int c equals to 8. Okay, if the if statement is used when you want something to happen when two numbers or text are equal, the same, or one is smaller than the other, or the opposite. So we write if the brackets. In here we write our arguments. Here in the brackets the things we write are called arguments. So if b is smaller than c, open the curly brackets. It doesn't end with a semicolon like the others, it is like the for cycle with curly brackets. So if b is smaller than c, let's print out 10. Okay, so it should print us 10. Okay, here is the 10. Now if b is bigger than c, it will print us 10, but it should print us, I think. Okay, that's it. So if this argument is not valid, we have to go somewhere. So there is adding to the if statement. This is called else. So if b is bigger than c, it should print this, but if it's not, else it prints out 5. So it should print us 5 now. Okay, it's 5. So if this is not valid, it comes down here and does what we say to it. So if we want to have multiple arguments, we do like this. If b is bigger than c, okay, first we have to add another variable, int a equals 10. If b is bigger than c, and this is being created like end, like this. So if b is bigger than c and a is bigger than c, then it should print us 10. Okay, let's start it. But it prints us 5. Why? Because b is not bigger than c, but a is bigger than c. So it the two arguments have to be valid. If one is not valid, it won't do the job we wanted. So to make it valid, we can use the two straight lines like this. This is written like or. This is or, this is and. this. Okay, so if this is not valid, this will be valid in this case. So if one is not and the other is valid, it will do the thing we say it in here. Okay, it prints us 10 because B is not bigger than C, but A is bigger than C. So one of two arguments is valid. Okay, you can do also like this. If else, you can write it like this. If else A is bigger than C. Okay, what it was. Okay, it's else if A is bigger than C, print us 20, or let's say this. Okay, A is bigger than C. The first is not valid, so it jumps over to the other. The other is valid, so it stops here. This line is not being created. Okay. No. We can use here also and or, but we don't have to in this case. Okay, let's use the if in a for cycle. So for double press tab on the keyboard, and I will go to 10, and then if I is equal to 7, we have to use double equals on the if. It prints us E is equal to 7. Okay. Okay, that's it. So first, to show you basically what the for cycle and if are doing, we write here I to see its value, and we write here also I to see its value before and after. Okay, first is 0 1 1 0 0, so it is equal. Here and here the value of the I is the same that I wanted you to see. So 2 2 3 4 5 6, and when it gets to 7, prints us 7 here, and it enters the for cycle. When I is equal to 7, it will give us I equals to 7, and then we'll continue the cycle for here and 7 8 9. Okay, so that's what the if is used for here. And to give you an example, I will write else also, so it will print us the value of I. So every time the cycle turns, it should print us the value of I. So it's like 1 2 3 4, like this. Okay. And that's it for this video, guys. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe and hit the like button. I will see you in the next one.